What's up, guys? It's Blake, and I want to tell you about a product today that I've been using for several months, but then also a new product that has come out from a brand called Novos Labs. If you've never heard of Novos Labs, they have amazing supplements based on the premise of longevity. And they have ingredients in their supplements that target the causes of aging. And so when you take their supplements, it's packed with quality, precision, beautiful branding, and packaging. So one of the products that I've been taking for several months is Novos Core. This comes in a box like this that you can get on their website in a subscription. It comes in this small pouch, which makes it incredibly easy to travel. I always throw some of these in my bag when I'm on the go because it just helps me feel happier and healthier with the ingredients that are in here. And I like taking my supplements in the powder form versus taking a pill, which is why I love Novos. I put it in a water bottle, shake it up or stir it, and enjoy it in the morning or in the evening. So check that out, Novos Core. That one is to target the core aging. Like I said, there's 12 different ingredients here, and it targets the 12 different causes of aging. So check that out, Novos Core. But actually, why I'm making this video is I want to tell you about a new product they have called Novos Vital, and I got it in this awesome packaging right to my doorstep. Boom, younger for longer. Gotta love that trademark. We all want to kind of stay young and healthy, right? Do more with our family, our friends, and our kids. So I want to show you Vital. It comes like this. Vital is a chew, and it has 7 ingredients that help with 7 different organs in your body, whether it's microbiome, muscular, cognitive, vision, all these different organs that contribute to these things. Vital helps support, and it comes in this sweet package where you can go on their website and subscribe. Here is what it looks like. It's a small chew. You get to take up to 4 of these a day, and they actually taste delicious. So pop one of those, guys. I think you're going to really enjoy how easy it is to have a chew. Younger for longer. Novos, check out their core, they're Vital, and they have a boost product if you're interested in that to get your energy going. And there's scientific research that back all of these products. That's the best part. They're not just throwing out supplements and cheap ingredients to have a brand. They actually really care about the health of their customers, which has been supported by their features in GQ, Vogue, Equinox Gym, Good and Well, and many more. So go check that out online, Novos Labs.